If you're a beginner trader and you think that pro firms are only for pros with years of experience, this video will change your mindset completely. Today I'll show you how beginners can actually start their pro firm journey using God-funded trader. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Forex Coach and I make content to help traders go smarter and not gamble. Today's video is specifically for beginners who want to get into pro firm trading but don't know where to start. I'll explain what GFT is, why it's beginner friendly, and exactly how you can use it to get toward being funded. Section 1. The beginner problem. Let's be honest, most beginners struggle with these three things: not enough capital, emotional trading, and no real structure or rules. That's why many beginners blow their personal accounts. So pro firms exist to solve this problem, but only if you choose the right one. So what is GFT? So GFT means God-funded trader. So God-funded trader is a pro firm that allows traders to trade with company capital instead of risking their own money. What I personally like about GFT, especially for beginners, is clear and simple rules, realistic profit targets, and risk management that actually teaches discipline. Instead of gambling, you're actually learning how professional traders operate. So why is God-funded trader good for beginners? Number 1, structured rules. You know exactly what you can and cannot do. Number 2, risk limits. This protects you from blowing your account. Number 3, evaluation system. This forces patience and consistency. And the last point is scalable growth. You are not stuck at one level forever. For beginners, this structure is powerful because it builds good habits early. So how to start with God-funded trader? Alright guys, so this is the website for God-funded trader and the link is in the description of the video. So on the home page you will find a lot like this. So if you want to get yourself an account, you're just gonna scroll below and you'll find a plethora of different accounts challenges you can choose from, right? And currently they are having a 40% off on all of the challenges, and you can see that's the discount code over there. And also they are running a 50% off for anyone who's using GFT for the first time, and that code is first GFT, as you can see right there. Apply that code and you can get 50% on any of these pro firms. So how do you get started, man? What I recommend is starting on the two-step accounts, because that one is usually the easiest in terms of that it has a maximum drawdown of 4% and a target of 8%. Wow, that is pretty much amazing. Target is so easy, you understand, 8% and daily drawdown is 4%. So that's a pretty much good rules, and you can just pay with any payment method you have. You have the Visa, MasterCard, Express, PayPal, Bitcoin, and more, right? And they have one of the cheapest, 150k, as you can see right there. It is 728, but then at the moment it's 436, and then with the discount you can just get 50% off on that account. But then most of your guys usually buy the 5Ks, you understand, so you can also get a 5K for $17. That's one of the cheapest around using a verified pro firm, you understand, or an 8K if you want to go bigger, or even a 15K. As you can see right there, it's currently $58 with the discount, but then you can even get it for way less using first GFT if you're buying it for the first time. So this one is quite interesting. You get yourself a 15K for under $50, and yeah, that's it, man. You understand? So you can pass this challenge and you can make amazing payout from it, you understand. But then there's quite a lot. You can go for standard as well. Standard is also cheap, you understand. Also the maximum drawdown is 10%, but then the side the target is 10%, so that is why this one is a bit cheaper, you understand. But 2% can hit anyone, and the 100k you can get for $350. Come on guys. And you can just get yourself a 50k as well for 202, but then with the 50% off you can get it for even way less, you get me. So there's a lot you can choose from. There's the gold accounts as well, also cheap. And there's also instant accounts for those people who are well experienced and they want to just get onto the funded right away. You can get yourself this one, and you can even see the prices are not far-fetched. Also similar, $64 for 5k, and the maximum drawdown is 6 for an account that is instantly funded, no challenge. You can go for this one. So you can just check the website for yourself, guys. The link is in the description, and let's continue with the video. And now let's dive into mindset shift. This is important. God-funded trader is not a get rich quick. If you come with the mindset of let me learn to trade properly with rules, you'll grow faster than 90% of beginners who just gamble on personal accounts. So if you're serious about starting your pro firm journey, I personally recommend checking out GFT. The link is in the description of the video. With that said, even if you don't join today, take time to read their rules, and understand how prop firm trading really works. Now for the most important tip, set yourself realistic expectations. Most beginners fail not because the prop firm is bad, but because they rush. If you use GFT as a learning platform, not a lottery ticket, you are already ahead of most traders. If this video helped you, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. And with that done, comment below if you want a follow-up video on passing prop firm challenges, beginner trading strategies, or risk management for GFT. Subscribe for more real trading content, and I'll see you on my next video.